want to share a tip. So I'm currently at Graymore where you find chakram. And I know I already have some, but show you a tip for the crawbug cleanup. I don't know how to pronounce the name. So over here, if we just run into here, go up here, so you're gonna need at least the drifter's cloak to get into this little cheese method. You need to run over here or walk, which you're gonna have to run. Sorry, I had to sneeze. Then you get two thingies. The thing is, if I just run back in here, they respawn, both of them. I was thinking of originally doing this at halfway home, but this is a lot more effective. Because you get two for the price of basically nothing. So you can see that through like two turns of this, I've already basically done it. I just need to do it one more time. Sorry for the screams. I don't like it either. So now we can just run back to Bellheart. Without falling down there. Which also, you can use 80 rosaries to get a rosary string that holds 60. If you're worried about losing rosaries, I would recommend using these. But you are losing rosaries, so. Just want to quickly save. Alright. I know what does this give me. Ooh. So, yeah, if you need some cheese, there you go. But I'm gonna be off, so bye.